In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the customers along with the opening balances in QuickBooks Online. So what we'll do is just go to the customers and click on the customers here. Here we have two options. Either we can import the details of the customers or we can add the customers manually. So let's try to manually add them. Here are some fields. If we want to mention the title, the first name, middle name, or company name, we can mention all of these details. But I'll just stick with the compulsory ones. Customer display name is Justin, and we can fill the rest of the details. It's pretty straightforward. I'll just skip the address part. Add attachments, you can add notes, you can add credit limits, terms and conditions, language to choose, and the customer type. And we will put the opening balances right here. So I'll just keep it simple so that you can easily understand that. I'll stick with the basic information because the rest of them is pretty self-explanatory. So we just enter the customer name and we just enter the customer balance, which is this one. Just copy here, paste right here, and it's of 1st of January. So let's make it 0101 and hit save. And similarly, I'll just add the other customer, but just wait for it to show up here. As we can see, now we are in the customer list. It's showing that you can view some transaction details right here, but we just have a customer with this balance that we have just entered. If we want to enter further customers, we'll just click on the customers and click on new customer right at the top. And the next customer is Albert. Just copy the name here and change the display name, customer display name, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we just enter the balance here. It's as of 1st of January. Hit save. Now let's enter again. Click on the plus sign from here and we can enter a new customer from here as well. So in the customer display name, I'll just copy this one. I'll just copy this one. Display name is this. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and this is the customer balance. As of 1st of January, hit save. And the last one is Walter. So click on the plus sign. Display name is Walter and the balance is 15,000. It's as of 1st of January. Hit save. And that's how we enter all the customer details. Now we need to check the chart of accounts, whether the account receivable ledger is created along with the balance or not. So click on accounting and click on chart of accounts here. Now we can see the account receivable ledger just popped in and the QuickBooks balance is 195,000, which exactly matches this one. And that's how we enter the customer details and update the control account balances. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.